finally, legendary leaker EV leak showing off the undeniably gorgeous design of the 6.4-inch Note 20 from all angles. But unlike 2019 standard Note 10 and the Note 9 before that, or even the Note 8 before that, this year's Galaxy Note 20 5G is pretty much confirmed that it's sporting a good old-fashioned flat screen. IC Universe already confirmed that detail more than a month ago that we are not getting a curved screen on the Note 20 back in May. A flat display isn't inherently a bad thing for too many people, and the bezels aren't that much to complain about. So, the Galaxy Note 20 5G can still be described as an ultra-premium device where it actually belongs. Does it look as swanky as the Note 20 Ultra? Perhaps not, but there are plenty of people out there who will appreciate the compact body of the Note 20 5G with a 6.4-inch screen diagonal. Unfortunately, the same cannot be said about the display specification rumored a while ago, that it will include a conventional and outdated 60Hz refresh rate screen with a 1080p resolution only, which is a nowhere premium thing at all. Although undeniably large and humpy, the camera module on the back of the Note 20 5G is nowhere as massive as the Note 20 Ultra 5G that we have already seen in my earlier episodes. Note 20 appears to lack the periscope style camera. That means the Note 20 5G will most likely settle for a telephoto lens in addition to the primary camera, and possibly the same ultra-wide lens as the Note 20 Ultra. Although the Galaxy Note 20 isn't rendered today in the mystic bronze color, but I'm falling for this premium matte finish anyway. Yes, I think curved screen looks more better, more immersive, and I love that. But there is a lot of people who will only buy it because of this flat screen. So this is a premium phone, get that. By now it's also clear that the Note 20 will be available in both 5G and LTE models. The 4G models will be heading for the global market and will be powered by the inferior Exynos 990 processor. Yes, that's bad. The Galaxy Note 20 is more compact than the Note 10 Plus, but way larger than the Note 10 if you compare it dimensionally. The battery size was initially said to be 4000 mAh battery, which is way larger than the 3500 mAh battery seen in the Note 10, but the latest claim is that it could actually be 4300 mAh battery. So the battery life is gonna be pretty great considering a 1080p screen and a 60Hz refresh rate. But the phone will come with an 18W power adapter, while the Note 20 Ultra 5G will arrive with the 25W. Great! If you like this episode and quality presentation, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.